Question third. (3.4) Given two consecutive positive integer, two consecutive positive odd integer and sum of whose squares is 290. Find out integers. Given by let 3 and 5. We look difference between them is +2. So we write, suppose this number is x, then this number get x plus 2. Solution. First positive integer take x, and second integer take x plus 2, because difference between two consecutive odd integer is 2. So we write first is x and second is x plus 2. According to question, sum of whose square, it means according to question, sum of whose square, first integer square and second integer square whose sum is 290. X square, we apply a plus b whole square, we have x square 4x plus 4 equals to 290. We get 2x square 4x plus 4 equals to 290. 2x square 4x on transposition 286. A common 2, we have x square plus 2x 143 equals to 0. X square plus 2x 143 equals to 0. 2x. X square plus 2x minus 143. We apply Sridhar Acharya formula. A equals to 1, B equals to 2 and C equals to minus 143. According to formula, minus B plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We write minus b, it means minus 2, plus minus a square of 2 is 4, 4a, a1, c is minus 143 upon 2a, minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 12, 1 carry, 17, 1 carry, 5. we add minus 2 plus, we add this, we have 576 upon 2. 576 is the square root of 24. Taking positive sign, x equals to minus 2 plus 24 upon 2, x equals to 11. First integer is 11 and second integer x plus 2, it means 13. Question number 4. Difference of square of two number is 45. It means given let first number is x and second number is y. According to question, difference of square of two number. Difference, it means minus square of two numbers, x square minus y square equals to 45. And condition second, square of smaller number. Here smaller number is y. So square of smaller number is 4 times larger number. Equation number second. We solve x square, we put the value of y square here. We have 4x equals to 45. Find out numbers first and second. We write x square minus 4x minus 45. A equals to 1 and b equals to minus 4 and c equals to minus 45. X equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put value of b minus into minus plus b square, it means minus 4 ka square 16, 4a 1 and c is minus 45 upon 2a. Plus minus under root 16 plus by multiply 45 into 4 180 upon 2 equals to 180 plus 16 196 upon 2 and 196 4 plus minus under root 196 upon 2. 196 is square root of square root of 196 is 14 upon 2. Taking positive sign, we have 14 plus 4, 18, 18 upon 2, 9. And taking negative sign, we have x equals to minus 10 upon 2, minus 5. So, given number is, first number is 9 and second number y square equals to 4 times of x. It means 9 4 the 36 y square, y equals to plus minus 6. And if we use x equals to minus 4 here, it is not possible. Because we write here minus 5, minus 20 and minus 20 square root, not possible. Question number 5th. Divide 16 into 2 parts. Given, divide 16 in 2 parts. Let first part is x. Then second part is 16 minus x, because if we add, we get 16. Second condition, 2 times of square of larger part. Here larger part is x and smaller part is 16 minus x. Second condition, 2 times the square of larger part is means equal to 164 more than square of smaller part of smaller part. According to question, we write 2 times, it means 2 into square of larger part. We have larger part is x, the square of this plus is equals to 164 plus square of smaller part 16 minus x का whole square. 2x square equals to 164. Apply identity. 16 square of 16, 256. 2 times of 2ab, 32x plus x square. On transposition, x square plus 32x माइनस ऐड करो इसको, ये हो जाएगा आपका 0, 12, 4. We apply Sridharacharya formula. Minus b, here b is 32. Square of 32 is 4. 12, 1 on 10. Minus 4ac 1 minus 420 upon 2a. Minus 32 plus minus under root 1024 plus 0 8 16 upon 2. Minus 32 plus minus 1020 plus 1680 upon 2. Minus 32 plus minus on adding 4, 8 and 2, 10, 1 carry, 7, 2 upon 2. Taking square root 2704, 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 plus 10, 5 plus 5 10. On subtracting 2 and next pair is 0 4. We write 2, we have 204. So square root of 2704 is 52. Taking positive sign, we have minus 32 plus 52 upon 2, 20 upon 2, x equals to 10, and taking negative sign, x equals to minus 32 minus 52 upon 2, minus 84 upon 2, minus 4 2. It is not possible because this value write 16 minus 14 minus plus and second number is biggest. So we use only for this value. It is not possible. Not possible. First number is 10 and second number 16 minus 10. We have 6.